The Child Visa Program in Australia allows children of Australian citizens, permanent residents, or eligible New Zealand citizens to live with their parents in Australia. This program is designed to reunite families by granting permanent residency or long-term temporary visas to dependent children, adopted children, and orphaned relatives. The program includes several visa subclasses to cater to different family situations, whether the child is biological, adopted, or in a legal guardianship arrangement. Stay in Australia indefinitely. Work and study in Australia. Take benefit of Australia's scheme for health-related care and expenses. Apply for Australian citizenship if and when they become eligible. Sponsor eligible relatives for permanent residence. Travel to and from Australia within 5 years from the date the visa is granted. Onshore Child Permanent Visa, Subclass 802. This visa allows a child to stay in Australia permanently and live with their parents. Offshore Child Permanent Visa, Subclass 101. This visa lets a child outside Australia move to Australia to live with their parents. Child Adoption Offshore Permanent Visa, Subclass 102. This visa lets children adopted outside Australia live in Australia with their adoptive parent. Orphan Relative Onshore Permanent Visa, Subclass 837. This visa lets a child who is single and already in Australia stay with a relative if their parents are deceased, can't care for them, or can't be found. Offshore Orphan Relative Visa, Subclass 117. This visa lets a child who is single come to Australia to live with a relative if their parents are deceased, can't care for them, or can't be found. Offshore Dependent Child Temporary Visa, Subclass 445. This visa allows a child to stay in Australia temporarily while we process their parents' permanent partner visa application.